shoot the first question. So,
Alright, let's have one.
so maingay ulit. Yeah, first of all, tell us more about the new single, Bandera.
Oh yeah, this is from the album namin, no? Yung Bandera from the Night Studio album namin, which is Atake. It consists of 9 Tagalog songs. The first time namin ginawa ng Tagalog talaga. And this song talks about the people that come to our show wearing their flags. They're showing their support to Slapshot for the past 22 years. Consistently, fans are getting younger. So, binigyan namin sila ng soundtrack nila. Kind of like they're doing a tribute to us, like by bringing their flags and showing their support. I guess it's the only way we can pay back is show through a song how much we appreciate those kind of people. And also, this is for the people that carries the flag of the Philippines or whatever, you know, like pag tatay ka na malupit kang tatay, ikaw yung bit-bit ng bandera niya. You never try to wave it off or baba para laban ka.
So basically, it's a new song from the new album.
Yeah.
Kasi I think the last time,
It's a third single from the album.
I think the last time you released an album was in 2017, tama ba?
Yeah.
Tapos ito yung follow-up.
This is almost the tail end of the album, pero we saved the best for last. So, and it's the most melodic, I think, na Slapshot song. Hindi siya as heavy as yung Atake, yung nilabas namin.
And you mentioned, di ba, your tribute to your fans for supporting you for the last 22 years. And you mentioned na medyo melodic din yung song na to. Pero how has your music evolved since then?
Music, how it evolves.
22 years na eh, no?
Siguro ano lang po, kumbaga yung music namin naging heavier pero yung melodies naman namin mas sumabit lang. Yung combination na yun yung parang yung itin sa amin isang flavor talaga ng Slapshot na
Sentiments din kasi like you know, like before masyado kami galit sa mundo when we were young, and 22 years is a lot of things that happened to us. I mean, we matured half of our age, so malaking bagay yun. So yeah, naging different throughout the time. We're still a fan of the new music that comes out. Yun, isa din yun, malaking factor din yun. Of course, the environment that we, you know, nag-tour kami, we meet a lot of bands, we meet yung kung ano yung environment na pinopossess ay na saan kami dinadala namin yung output namin. I guess what you input is your output, parang ganun. So, pero we were never conscious kung ano ba talaga dapat yung tunog namin. It's just wherever the tide just brings us, just go with the flow yun. Feel naman namin meron kaming Slapshot sound na whatever we do, nandun yung Slapshot sound.
Guys, when it comes to keeping your fan base intact, is there something that you're doing kakaiba? Like you use of social media in a way, right?
yeah, ngayon yung Slap Army din talaga lumalabas din sa social media. Yeah, I'm thankful kami. Mas lumalakas din. Yung army namin mas lumalakas dahil sa nagagawa na social media.
Ito, iba-ibang age bracket ito kasi like yung mga 90s.
Oh yeah. I think it's the third generation already. Social media. Tsaka especially also yung music, I guess, hindi naman kami nag-stick doon sa what we are. So, naging fan din kami ng mga bagong music. So, especially yung mga bata, ganun din siguro, they still dig us because they still hear something new from us.
How's the feeling sa ganitong success? Is calculated ba to or parang you yourself are amazed na nandito pa rin kayo, relevant?
Yeah, I think that's what's important. As long as you still get surprised, I think that's what makes you you and that's what makes you progress. Kasi pag alam mo na predictable na lahat ng nangyayari na parang, oh yeah, we're here, we're that. We're still up to the challenges, we're still hungry. Ayun, I think we're still on fire, we're still like, feels like a new band, we still feels like a band that still needs to prove a lot of things para sa amin. Pero we always, it wasn't even calculated talagang kami yun nga, wherever the tides brings us. We were never particular. Ang daming sumikat na genre na nadaanan namin from day one. dami na nangyari, but at the end of the day, I think it wasn't calculated. Like, ano talaga siya, yun nga, musical journey. But the best thing is, I'm still doing it with the 4 other guys that I've been with since day one. So I think that's what's magical about it.
Jamil, sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, hindi ka ba nalalamyaan sa rap scene natin? Ang biggest rap song natin galing sa isang singer ng singing contest. Tapos lahat ngayon, ang laban online, halos wala na nagka-live, nag-online concert. Hindi ka ba nalalamyaan?
Hindi naman kasi I think mas maraming avenues mas okay. You know, this is what we do. And isa kami sa bandang parang sinasabi, we don't really give a shit kung anong nangyayari kasi we have our own thing going, parang ganon. So, we're just happy that OPM is kicking it kahit saan mangyari, di ba? Kahit saan mangyari. I mean, we know where we are. That's the good thing about Slapshot. Alam namin kung saan kami. So, we're not trying to invade other territories or trying to, di ba? Either you like us or you don't. Ganun lang naman yung simple. I think it works pretty well para sa amin. It works it works towards our advantage na we created our own thing. You know, as Slapshot.
Hindi na namin kailangan ito po. Umabot na kami sa punto. Wala na kami hindi na po. Kasi kinukulit namin sa pinag
Yeah, we're happy.
Hindi ba namimiss mag-perform sa malls? Kasi di ba after siya takdakin sa mga malls, nagbawal ang mga rock band sa malls, hindi na nakabalik.
You know what? I think we're one of the bands that plays every year sa mall na pinakamarami shows sa mall kasi consistently because of our sponsors, you know. But we don't play inside the mall. Yeah, kasi that na sa parking lot
Pero
talaga.
inabutan yung time na pwede, di ba?
Yeah, inside, yeah. Oo. Pero we had a pretty bad experience pag sa loob kami tumutulog kasi talagang yung crowd namin, I think the crowd will enjoy more kung outdoor kami. And we always think about the crowd na when you come to our show, we want you to be able to express yourself. So I think the better way to do it is outdoors.
Palagay bang totoong tanong ko doon, hindi ba kayo nakakaramdam ng discrimination sa genre of music nyo? Na porket maingay, magulo.
I think we proved that enough na kahit maingay kami. I think ano lang yan parang para sa amin, we kind of went through that phase pero umabot dun sa phase na yun talaga kami, di ba? Yung maingay, kung pupuntahan nila, yun yung kami. Pero while the rest of the people, iba yung pinupuntahan. Pero isang solid na fan base na nandun sa amin. So I guess it's the contentment na what we have is what we